Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 Sierra is powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel as well, automatic shifter, push button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen up top for the Apple Carplay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, integrated jelly braking system, dual glove boxes with locking bottom, black interior, black leather heated and ventilated seating with the Kalahari inserts, and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, keyless entry all around with color-matched door handles. AT4 does come with the 2-inch factory lift up front, making room for those big wheel and tire packages. Coming to the front of the AT4, color-matched front grille and bumper, LED daytime running lamps, fog lights as well, signature red tow hooks. Making our way to the rear, blacked out window trim and rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back of the truck, we have the color-matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, GM MultiPro tailgate, and LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. In-seat storage feature, we have a solid rear window with defrost and extra headroom over top with LED lighting. Dual USB ports there and rubberized floor liners with carpeted inserts. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.